So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find network and internet. Click on run. And now this will come up, the network and internet troubleshooter. If it detects any problems, it will try to fix it for you. See if that works. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. Once you're on this, make sure that your network adapter is enabled. If it's been disabled, then you want to right click on it and then click on enable, which should now enable it. For the next method, if you're using a VPN or proxy, then you want to disable it. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in network reset. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on reset now and then click on yes. It's going to restart your computer in 5 minutes, or you can just do it yourself right now. Come back into Windows and then hopefully this will fix your problem.